Jumping straight into today's video, we're going to be doing a detailed glueless wig install. So this is a custom wig. It is a 6x6 closure, and I want to say 22, 24, 26, and 26-inch bundles. This is an old wig. I just did a lace replacement on it. So first things first, you want to cut off the excess lace. So today I'm using scissors, and I'm just going in with a zigzag motion. You want to take your scissors and go in an upward facing motion and down, so that way it'll kind of have a zigzag or like little triangles at the end of the lace. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so that way you can get a better view of what I'm doing. So here we are zoomed in. I'm just pulling the hair out of the way, and you want to cut off that little tab on the side so that way everything will just lay flush against your forehead. And once I get that cut off, I'm just going in with the same motion, up, down, to get that zigzag edge. You want to make sure that you're also cutting the lace right in front of the hairline. You do not want to do it in the hairline, because this can tend to cause extra shedding over time, because you may end up cutting like in between knots. So just to make sure that you can get the longevity out of your lace, make sure you're cutting right in front of that hairline. Next, I'm going to go in with my cream foundation. This is the Ruby Kisses level 12, and I'm just going to go tint that lace. And here is the inside construction of this custom unit. And once I get that wig on, I'm just going to adjust it to make sure the fit is good. And let's get into this lace. Do you see that? So you can literally, once you tint the lace, you can wear this wig straight out of the packaging just like that. Well, not like this once you adjust it, but just like that. You do not have to do any extra steps. But I always like to go in with just one little extra step to make sure that that lace is really melted and we are giving scalp. So right here, I'm just making sure those little side tabs that we cut off is actually covering my edges right there, my where my temple is. We're just going to make sure that we cover those two parts right there. And you can go in with some hairspray or mousse for this portion. Today, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do it with hairspray. And I actually learned this method from Ebin. And I used to do it before where I would spray the hairspray directly on there. But I noticed that it would kind of give you a little bit of residue if you got it on the outside of the lace. Whereas this method, you don't have that issue. There's no hassle. You just go straight in, you spray a little bit of that hairspray on the back of your hand, and you're just gonna dab that across the edge of the lace, and it literally melts right before your eyes. Like, you can kind of see that white cast is just disappearing. So I'm just gonna do that all the way across until I feel like it looks good enough, and then I'm gonna go in with my elastic band and tie that down.
40,000 miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full cook press foot on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this shaking, ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know, and let go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever.
And for glueless installs, you really don't have to leave this melt band on long. I normally leave it on while I'm styling my hair, or if I'm like leaving out the house about to drive somewhere. If you're trying to figure out an exact time frame, 10 minutes max, or until you feel the hairspray or mousse, whatever you use, dry. Normally about 10 minutes is a good time frame though. Besides that, you will get a headache. Next, I'm just going to touch up everything, touch up my curls really quick, and then we are going to get into the final look.
Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we at a new location. Free all of the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I smoke a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, first taught me that way back. Took it off, I was always talking, say hoes where you stay at. Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother if you want me, no problem, they say that. go to child for real. So I finish bitch out with her. I've been on my grind for years. And I'm out here trying to get. I need extra to sign the deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the go to child for real. So I finish bitch out with her. I've been on my grind for years. And I'm out here trying to get. I need extra to sign the deal.
I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, I know.
Oh, walking on that rain. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you stay. What you say? When it's that way. Try back if no crazy. Hear what you respectful, yeah. If I slide, but if I just press my issue, yeah. Respect like that, but you know that nothing must be stressful. Talk the talk, but walking back it up, you just can't let go. Said you make me special, whoa, yeah. But you won't admit that. No matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. Plus I'm the type to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky so you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Let's play yes, no, and I can be waiting cause I said so.
Going, turn, I swear crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't my revenge. But now I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know. But again, trust me, this ain't my revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh. And it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know. No. You said you felt. You said you felt something that's different from everyone else. You had the nerve to still ask for my help. Dug you out, ditches.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are.
Alright, now this is the moment we have been waiting for. Okay, let's get into this. And it's intact. So this is, like I said, a quick little glueless install. This whole video is 10 minutes long, but in actuality, I can really install my wigs in like less than 5 minutes. I put my wig on, do my little hairspray, put my band on, and by the time I get to wherever I'm going, my wig is ready to go, and we are looking as flawless as we do here. If you are interested in getting a custom unit from us, our website is in the description box below. We do custom units, ready to wear units, U-part wigs, whatever you are looking for, we probably have it. And thank you for watching.